Dongguan City Sedulity Spill Press Company Limited is a factory with many years of experience, focus on educational paper puzzle games, 3D puzzle games, playing cards games, board games, and paper boxes. As a professional company, we accept OEM and ODM orders. Our products have passed CE certificate. With general taxpayer qualification and import and export right, we always try to exceed customers' expectations, which makes us leader in the printing industry. Our company covering an area of 2,000 square meters. We have 107 workers and many advanced machines like Heidelberg 4-color printer, Corto 4-color printer, jigsaw puzzle punching machine, automatic package machine, varnish machine, automatic folder gluer machine. Our expertise and professional knowledge in the printing field makes us with the good choice for the clients. We have our own art team, which we can customize your paper products with irregular shape. We can design and testing the 3D puzzle for you, from draft to the finished products, which you just need offer us your idea. We achieve the possible quality and go always that extra mile further to give that extra touch of perfection. And this is how we keep superior quality and good offers as well as service for global valued customers. Warmly welcome new and old customers from all of the world to visit our factory. Please feel free to contact us for future business relationship and mutual success.